Today, we're making zucchini bread. I love this recipe because I can customize it for who I'm making it for. I can make it with nuts or chocolate chips. I always have an abundance of summer squash and zucchini this time of year, so we always need to make zucchini bread or something else to use up those vegetables. We have one zucchini left, and I want to make our delicious zucchini bread. The hardest part of this entire recipe is shredding the zucchini, and it's not even hard, it's just time consuming. So I'm going to be here for the next 3 to 5 business days while I'm shredding for 2.5 cups. The cool thing about these recipes is you can just dump them in, and it doesn't really matter which order because it's all going to be mixed together. It's not very sciencey like most baking is. This is 3 cups of flour, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, 1 teaspoon of baking powder. This is 1/2 tablespoon. Usually I do a little over a tablespoon of it. I let it like just kind of run over because I like it a little bit extra cinnamony. So it's probably 1.5 tablespoons at the end of the day because I do add a little bit more cinnamon to it. 3 tablespoons of vanilla extract. Again, I follow my heart a little bit, so it might be a little more or less. Probably erring on the side of more. 2 1/4 cup sugar. 1 cup canola oil. 3 eggs. And I usually do about 2.5 cups zucchini. This might be a little bit more. That was a hunker zucchini. And I still have a little bit left. I had to chill on that. So I'll have to use that little tiny bit for something else. We're gonna blend it together, and I'm gonna add chocolate chips after it's fully blended. It mixes so easy because of all of the wet ingredients. And now I usually do a mix of chocolate chips, semi-sweet and milk chocolate. I do about 1 cup, so 1/2 cup each. And then I'm gonna mix some more. So anything that didn't get mixed before will get mixed when I do the chocolate chips. All right, I am going to use my Graza oil and spray these pans. This recipe makes 2 loaves, so spray 2 pans for it. When you're pouring this in, I recommend having a silicone spoon if you do chocolate chips because they get stuck to the side, and that way you can dig them out and make sure they're evenly spread out between the 2 loaves. Okay. Oven is preheated to 325. I'm gonna bake these for about 40 to 60 minutes until a toothpick comes out clean. All right, I have 2 beautiful loaves of zucchini bread. Cool thing about these is you can freeze one, keep one for the week, or if you are like us, you can devour them both within a week because my entire family loves these. I love how moist these are. I'm sorry if you hate that word. Let me know in the comments if you're mad at me because I used that word. I know plenty of people who hate it. I love this bread. It is an easy breakfast. It's an easy snack. I can pack it with my lunch so I can have it with that. Both my girls love it. So it's been really helpful for us. That's why we end up going through 2 loaves in a week. I love how moist it is. I love the chocolate. You can certainly do other things, but I don't think I could live without the chocolate in there. It is so good, and it's definitely worth a try. If you like videos like this, like, subscribe, comment. We make videos like this every week.